Infiniti G37 came to us with a complex issue. So what's the deal here? Well, the roof's not working right. It sticks, opens and closes poorly. Seems there's a problem with the sensors or wiring. Yeah, it's an electrical issue, basically. The ceiling cords are broken, affecting the inner lining. The ceiling looks all dented up, you know. There's leakage at the joints, probably issues with the drains too. It leaks inside when it rains. The speakers aren't working either. The seats need some leather repair. We'll diagnose and tackle each problem. The Infinity's ready now. Fixed the roof mechanism and replaced inner ceiling rods. Here's where the tension rods are. Tightened locks so it won't rattle on bumpy roads. The toughest part was finding all the leak sources. Leaks fixed, awning, rear roof sealed. Adjusted rubber, sealed, clean drains. Main issue, front leak under dashboard. Searched long for leak source. Checked all seals, resealed everything. Found leak under removable plastic trim. Previous repair left gaps, water seeped in. See photos for details. Water traveled inside the dashboard area. Locating the leak was challenging. 3 days to fix, no more leaks or noise. All cables and cords now work well. Interior ceiling functions properly.